Okay, well, I've got a train to go on to number 3 platform, so I'm going to set the points and the signals. The first set of points I need is number 8. So I pull them out, and when they buzz, I pull them the full way. I also need number 10 points. 10 points are in number 3 platform at North Sydney. I pull them out, and they're a little bit slower, so we've got to wait for them to buzz. And once they come over, I can clear the signals. I first have to clear the shunting signal into number 3 platform, which is number 9 signal. So I pull number 9 out, and the light comes on to indicate that the signal is set for number 3 platform. I also have to clear the main line signal into number 3 platform. That's number 7 signal. When I pull it out, the light comes on to show that I have the signals into number 3 platform for the train. Once the train arrives in clear, I'll put all these back. Okay, now that the train's arrived in number 3 platform, I'll put them all back, but I'll put them back at the speed a normal signalman would do them at, which is a lot quicker, and you actually see them when it's done slowly. Then I'll have to clear the signals, which is through on the down shore this time, and all the lights come in to show that I've got the signal. I've got to set the signals for a train to go onto the upshore. I can pull them both over together because they're nice and light. You can see how light it is when I move 29. It's a very light signal. And I can put the accept signal back at Waveness and operate it again. Okay, now we'll talk about calling on switches. Above selected levers is a small lever which is called the calling on switch. On the left hand side it has the lettering running, and on this side it says call on. The way you operate these is when you need to use a calling on signal, I just have to move these points to show you how it works, is by operating the levers and then pushing it to the call on position. When you push it over to the call on, you get an indication in the signal that it is clear. And with this lever over, it will show the call on indication. If I return the call on indication back to the running, you'll see the light go out for the signal and then return to the running indication. Call-ons are only used for closing up movements or shunting movements. At North Sydney, they're only used for closing up movements if there's a train ahead.